apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fairy. G is for goat. H is for hen. I is for ice. J is for jelly bean. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for milk. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sheep. T is for teddy bear. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for wagon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.